The documentary titled The Conquest of Constantinople 1453 and of Byzantium delves into the pivotal historical event that marked the fall of the Byzantine Empire and the rise of the Ottoman Empire. Below is an explanation for each of the 32 clips that together narrate this dramatic event. Clip 1. Setting the stage, this clip introduces the city of Constantinople in the year 1453, highlighting its strategic significance as a bridge between Europe and Asia. The clip sets the stage by showing the bustling city, its massive walls, and its role as the heart of the Byzantine Empire. Clip 2. The Byzantine Empire's legacy. The narrative delves into the history of the Byzantine Empire, exploring its culture, architecture, and influential role in history. It sheds light on its contributions to religion, art, and law, and how it acted as a buffer against invading forces for centuries. Clip 3. Rise of the Ottomans. This section traces the origins of the Ottoman Empire, focusing on its rapid expansion through Asia Minor and the key military leaders who played a role in its ascension. The transformation from a small Anatolian state to a formidable empire sets a contrasting backdrop to the declining Byzantine power. Clip 4. An empire in decline. Highlighting the decline of the Byzantine Empire, viewers witness the socio-economic struggles, internal conflicts, and shrinking borders that left Constantinople as a last bastion of the empire's former glory. Clip 5. The young sultan. This segment presents Mehmed II, the young and ambitious sultan of the Ottoman Empire. His vision to capture Constantinople is portrayed, emphasizing his strategic mind and determination. Clip 6. Military innovations. Showcasing the Ottoman military prowess. The focus is on the new technologies and strategies employed in warfare. The development of massive cannons capable of breaching the seemingly insurmountable walls of Constantinople is a highlight. Clip 7. The Great Chain. Explores the notorious chain that spanned the Golden Horn, preventing enemy ships from closing in on the wall-defended harbor. Innovative Ottoman tactics to bypass this barrier are discussed. Clip 8. Siege preparations. Inside the Ottoman camp, viewers get a glimpse of extensive preparations for the siege. The clip explores the logistics, resource mobilization, and resolve of Mehmed II's forces. Clip 9. Defining moments of the siege. This clip covers early skirmishes, the probing attacks against the city's defenses, and the strategic importance of controlling surrounding territories. Clip 10. Diplomatic maneuvers. Diplomatic exchanges between Mehmed II and the Byzantine Emperor Constantine XI are depicted, shedding light on negotiations and failed attempts at peace. Clip 11. Leadership and defenders. Inside besieged Constantinople, the focus shifts to the defenders, including Emperor Constantine XI and his efforts to rally the morale of his beleaguered citizens. Clip 12. The wall's vulnerability. The narrative highlights scientific insights from contemporary historians about the structural weaknesses in the ancient Theodosian walls. Clip 13. Religious forebodings. A look into the spirituality and superstition among Constantinople's residents, highlighting prophecies and religious fervor as the siege progresses. Clip 14. Pivotal artillery barrages. The sheer power and strategic impact of constant bombardment on the city's defenses are revealed, showing how artillery reshaped siege warfare. Clip 15. Naval battles and blockades. Focusing on the sea battles and crucial blockade of Constantinople's harbor, this clip discusses the roles of Venetian and Genoese ships in the conflict. Clip 16. The role of Janissaries details the elite Ottoman infantry troops, their training, and their significant role in the attack on Constantinople. Clip 17. Byzantine resilience against all odds. Scenes of the Byzantines' desperate yet determined resistance unfold, illuminating their strategic counterattacks and tenacity. Clip 18. The night assault. This gripping sequence covers the night assaults and constant pressure from the Ottomans aimed at wearing down the defenders. Clip 19. People of the city. Focuses on the ordinary citizens and their struggles within the city, capturing poignant stories of hope, fear, and unity. Clip 20. Religious Tensions explores the religious dimension of the siege, including the Catholic-Orthodox divide and how faith influenced both attackers and defenders. Clip 21. Strategic Engineering features Ottoman engineers and their innovative solutions to overcome natural and man-made obstacles surrounding the city. Clip 22. Crumbling Alliances discusses how alliances and promises of aid from other European powers faltered, leaving Byzantium isolated. Clip 23. Turning Points examines key moments and tactical shifts that started to turn the tide decidedly in favor of the Ottomans.